Hi, welcome to our little lip balm craft today. We're going to be making these fun little holders to put lip balm in, and they work great just to give as a little tiny gift or to add on to another gift as maybe a gift tag, a to and from type of thing. So I'm going to switch the camera angles and we'll go ahead and get started with our project. Okay, so our first step to making our lip balm holder is to grab our lip balm and then the piece of red and white striped paper. We're going to use this to wrap around so the library logo is covered up and it looks a little more festive. So you're going to take your tape runner and you're going to put tape on the white side and on each end, each short end, and then you're going to line this up so you can still open the chapstick and you can twirl the bottom to make it raise and lower. And then we're going to kind of roll it up. So then you have a tube that is covered like this. So it looks a little more peppermint sticky, something along that line. Also in your packet, you have a little clear bubble, and that's what your chapstick is going to go in. This is the sticky that is going to help adhere it between the two colors of paper. So what you're going to do is you can go ahead and this takes a little bit of time. You have to pick that top brownish layer of sticky off. And so that is this, just this outer rectangle is what we're working on. And you can put that off to the side. You're going to take your lip balm holder and you're going to line it up so that the little rectangle of sticky is on the edge of your lip balm holder. So go ahead and line that up. And I think it's easiest to kind of start on one side and then go down with it. But this takes just a little bit of patience. And you're going to put that down and just kind of smash it down onto there a little bit, not smash it too much where you're smashing in the top of the holder, but so it adheres a little bit. And then you're going to go ahead and after we get this going, we're going to kind of peel this off. And so now this is sticky and you can pop this middle out because we don't need this part. You can throw that off to the side. You'll go ahead and put your lip balm in, and I like to put my seam up because then when we put it in the cardstock, you won't, into the cardstock over here, you won't see it. So lay your lip balm in there with the edge of your paper facing you. So go ahead and set that off to the side. You're going to grab your blue snowflake paper and your red paper. So you're going to take that blue snowflake paper and flip it over so the white side is up. And again, you're going to take that tape runner and kind of go around your edges. So go ahead and do that. If you don't want to use the tape runner, you can use a glue stick or regular glue if you want to. I just thought we'd include those tape runners in case you wanted to use those. So I've got mine sticky. I'm going to put my little holder through the back. So it looks like that. Okay. And this is kind of the tricky part because you're going to have to kind of hold all this together and line this up so it matches. So we're going to kind of get that edge in there. Match the top piece to the bottom piece, but we're wedging that chapstick or lip balm in between there. So then you kind of sandwich it and it makes a little holder like this. Now if you get off a little bit, you can kind of see that I have mine off a little bit. There's a little bit of red showing. You can then kind of trim the edges and kind of tidy it up a little bit so it matches up perfectly. If you have that and it's on there and you don't mind it, then you can leave it. That's up to you. Our next step is going to be adding the Merry Christmas tag, and you can put it however you want, off to the side. You can center it, whatever you feel like. Use a little bit of that tape runner again and put that where you want it. I'm going to kind of go a little more centered this time than we did on the other one. We also included a little sparkly snowflake, so this kind of has a winter feel to it. And we'll add that snowflake on there. And then we also included a large piece of ribbon, and you can put that on however you want. You can loop it through the hole and tie it if you want so it looks like this. You can, the method that we did for this is we folded it in half and stuck both ends through at once and pulled it till it was almost all the way through, and then brought the tails through the loop and kind of pushed it down and kind of tightened it like that. And then you can cut that off and kind of make it however you want. You can go straight across, you can notch it like this, just kind of whatever you like the look of. I think I'm going to go ahead and just chop. And then you have a fun little lip balm holder that you can just give a friend as a little gift, or if you want to attach it to the top of another gift that you have for your friends, you could do that as well. So just kind of something fun. The little holders, I did have to purchase those online. They were available through Amazon and a few other places. But ribbon, paper, stickers were all from Hobby Lobby. So thank you for crafting with us today. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and we'll see you at the library soon.